In this video, I'm going to show you how you can tag people on an Instagram story. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have my Instagram open right here. All you need to do, you have to create a story, and for that, tap on your story icon. And I'm going to select a random photo from here. Let's say this one. Now, in order to tag a person, all you need to do, you have to press on this emoji icon, and this box will be popped up. And from here, you have to choose @ mention. And once you choose that, from here you can easily mention any of the person. And after mentioning, you can see we have done. So this is how you can tag any of the person to an Instagram story. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.